Nengil Kudirkum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Undefined. So this is week 17 as a JEE aspirant. So the previous video I actually posted as week 1. I thought of documenting the full 24 into 7 JEE aspirant thing, but I thought I'll start from the beginning. That is actually from March 1st of 2025. To be frank, I actually started 2 years ago, but that's another story. So this is actually 17th week as my JEE aspirant, like but four not fourth, I believe third week as my real, like 24 into 7 JEE aspirant, like sitting at my home in my school house and studying full time, like that everything. So till 3 packs before, I only used to attend the lectures, do the DPP, etc. But now I do the extra module stuff and all. So but today we'll be not discussing this week's progress, but still I will show you this week's progress as well to you guys. Yeah, so this is this week's progress. Actually, I need you to, so the total time for this week is 33, plus I need you guys to add a 3 hours more. So it's actually 34 plus 3 is, so that becomes 37, because I did not count 3 hours in this one. So 37 is the total hours I studied for this week. So talking about this week was kind of a really bad week, because I don't think I studied to my full potential. But let me be frank with you. The last week, that's the second week, was a bit more good than this one. Last week I couldn't post a video, but I had posted the time I studied and everything in my community post, so you can also follow that, and you can also give me your progress as well. So how my studies are going on, that I'll share in the next video will be like the fourth. I'll so that is actually essentially week 18. I'll put it as 4 months as a JEE aspirant. So that's it. So today what I want to tell you is about my first advanced test, JEE advanced mock test. Okay, so the thing is, I'm just taking the test marks, etc., like that. So the thing is, I really wanted to make my performance until now, a video in my main channel, but I am not getting time. So I thought I'll just cover my first advanced in my life. This is the first advanced JEE advanced mock test that I'm writing. So this is the test that happened in Arjuna JEE 2026. Now let me give you my first of all, I'll give you the toughness of this paper. So the paper one, the physics was really easy for me, but I think I would put it at a moderate level. I would consider it at a more kind of a NEET 2025 level, but a bit more low. Essentially between JEE mains and JEE advanced, of level between that, compared to the 2025 thing. So that was paper one. And the thing is, chemistry was really easy for me. Physics was also for me easy to moderate, but I would place it at, as I told you, between JEE mains and JEE advanced. And then max actually, to be frank, I have a problem with max that I'll share to you in the next video. But max, it was really hard. Chemistry was really easy, but chemistry in the real scenario, I feel like chemistry is really a moderate level. Okay, so in the first paper, I got 111 out of 180, which I consider really good. I consider it really good. I don't know about others. I am really satisfied with this one. The thing is, the percentile and all comes tomorrow, but what I want you to note is, please don't look at PW ranks, because PW has a lot of cheaters in their exam. People use some kind of technology, most probably Google, and then they find out the answers. You know the thing, cheating in their exam. So the rank will be really high, but I won't be surprised if someone gets full in this test, because someone can get full. Even if I had done more practice, I could have got full. So that's the paper one. So anyway, paper, see, I was really astonished with my marks. So yeah, that's it for paper one. I really like my marks. That's all that I have to say. Yeah, so that's it. And one more thing, let me just do a calculation, then only I'll just have to tell you. Plus 1, so 8. Okay, yeah. So that's for my paper one. Then coming to paper two. Paper two, I actually felt physics a bit more harder, a bit more harder, because physics of paper one was basically focused on units and measurements and motion in 1D, but paper two had a bit more of basic maths as well, but it was a bit more harder as of me for me, especially some numerical questions I could not do it. And then there was the comprehension questions, which was really nice. And then coming back to chemistry, it was again okay for me. But compared to paper one, the chemistry level had risen really high. So yeah, that I'll give you later. So max, anyway, it was again hard, and in paper 2 I actually scored a mark of 102. See, I'm really satisfied with this marks. That's what I feel. So as the PW ranks are good, but many people cheat. But then also I would say that don't consider that as a excuse. Still go forward. But then what I would suggest is, I would suggest you to look at rank versus marks of any real JEE advance. So I would actually place this JEE advance as a, like, it's not really tough, but still I am checking that of 2024, because 2025 was a bit more harder. So from that, I think this marks would place me between 2500 to 1500 rank that, and I'm really happy with that, man. So let me just be clear. Yeah, 2000 to 2500 rank. So anyway, that paper would be a bit more tough than this. So there also, if I am able to progress in the 2 years to get the same marks on a more tougher paper, then I'll get more rank. That's it, right? So that's it with my JEE advanced paper experience. And the next thing is, I actually changed my physics teacher. I changed it from Salim sir to Rajwan sir. No hate, see, I really like the advanced questions of Salim sir, but my problem with him is my frequency and his frequency is not matching. And then the second problem with him is, like, it's not a problem, it's my opinion, but for me both are good. But I like I like to study from Regin, so that's it. I get more of a vibe and connection with him. Salim sir doesn't do a lot of this language question, so that has put me in trouble for vectors. So I shifted to Regin sir. So I haven't shifted to Arjuna JEE 2.0 of 2026. Instead, what I'm doing is, I'm using Kazana of Arjuna JEE 2025, because if I move to 2.0, it will put me a lot of chapters backward. So that's why I'm using Kazana. So yeah, that's it. You can also share your experience in the comment box below. And then, so the total mark is about 209 out of 360. I'm really happy with my marks, but what I felt is I could have maybe performed maybe a 4 marks or 2 more questions correct in physics, and maybe a lot more questions correct in maths. Actually, if I just show you my chemistry marks of I'll just tell you the paper wise marks of mine, so you guys can get an idea. You can also share your performance in the exam in the comment box below. And actually writing this test has been a little bit hectic. And also, let me also tell you my time in which I wrote, because I'm really proud of that time. Let me just show you guys that one. So the total time I took was just 2 hours. I finished it in 2 hours. I only answered 78% questions, and my accuracy is 84%. And then my physics marks in the first paper I got 14 correct. 14 correct, that's really good. And then one incorrect, okay, one incorrect and two skip. So essentially my accuracy is really good. So I scored about 15 that paper. So actually I missed only 10, 14. So 14, yeah, I only lost 14 marks in physics in the paper one. Then for chemistry, when we come to chemistry, chemistry I scored 41. Okay, 41. Correct is 13, incorrect is 3, and skipped is 1. So I lost about 15 plus 4, 19 marks I lost. Now that's something that I have to improve. Then we come to max. Max I only scored 20 marks. Out of that, correct is 7, incorrect is 2, and skipped is 8. So max is really difficult. Now I'll talk about that in the next video. And then now if we come to paper 2, see, I don't know why, but time is not a problem for me, at least for now, because I think it will be because for JEE Advanced I skipped a lot of questions which we need to do. So then when we come to paper 2, my physics marks increased to 52 because my correct is 15, incorrect is 0, and skipped is 2. So I only missed out on 8 marks. Then we come to chemistry. Chemistry again, my accuracy actually improved when it came to paper 2. Chemistry, my score became 36 because I'll tell you, correct is 11, incorrect is 1, skipped is 5, because I skipped a lot, but still my accuracy is high. That's what I need as for now. And then we come to max. My score decreased. Max score became 14, correct is 5, incorrect is 2, and skipped is 10. So again I can see I won't say my accuracy has decreased a lot, but still, actually now I'm realizing my chemistry marks is actually really low than I expected. So chemistry, like, I can really improve easily. That's what I felt, because the second chemistry paper had some theory part from atomic structure which I didn't know, and then one mole concept calculation part which I didn't get the answer. So if we remove that, then it's a really pretty good score. That comes to around 4650. That's really good, because in the JEE means test of Akash, first I'll tell you the Akash one because I'm really proud of that. Chemistry I got 91 out of 100. It consisted of atomic structure, I believe. And then here in PW, the second test, the chemistry marks is 90. Chemistry marks is again 90. And then for the first test, I think the JEE means the first level test, I think it is really low. Let me just check that. I don't think yeah, this one. Anyway, what I'm proud of is physics and chemistry marks in JEE means thing I have been able to keep it up. So in chemistry, the first JEE means is 70. In the second one, it became 90. And in the Akash JEE means, it became 91. So I'm really proud of that. So okay, we'll see how it goes forward. So yeah, bye. We'll see you in the next week. That's it. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye. I'm Krishnan, signing out.